full layered Yaki cut bob wig. This one also has some curtain bangs in the front. This one is 10 inches in length. This one also comes with your pre-cut lace, your extra deep plucked hairline, and your deep bleach knots.